I just want to say hello YouTube and welcome back. In today's video is a pondering question that always baffles me. Where do the fish go when it rains?
It's amazing the things you take in, the things you see, if you just take the time to slow down and look around you, all the beauty of nature and everything around. I literally just think I witnessed some kind of fish trying to swim upstream into the falls. I'm hoping to catch it again on video. He was just here, a huge fin. Now I don't know if it was a carp. Oh, there it is. You saw it pop up again right there? I don't know if it was a carp or maybe a salmon or a giant trout. This is the Concord River. And that was a big fin. He's just sitting here in the current rocks. Trying to catch him again for you. But he's right there in front of those three rocks here. Keeps drifting back behind that dip right there. And he's coming back up. He's just waiting for something to come over the falls so he can get a quick meal. There he is. Saw that again? I don't think that was a carp. That was a big fish though. What are the chances a stripers made it upriver? Slim to none, right?
I was able to see where the fish were all hiding. I ended up walking around towards the side of the bridge and I could see a bunch of shadows under the surface of the water.
There he goes. There he is again.
And I guess I was wrong. There were carp. There were several of them. Tons of them. So I was able to find out where the fish go when it rains.
There he is again. There he goes around the back of the rocks. There's got to be a couple of them there. There he is. Watch right on the back side of these rocks. There's three of them. Oh, there he goes. He's going up and around. I see him come up there. Big, big carp. Those things are probably 30-pound fish. Maybe 25-pounders. There he goes, he just went down. They just love playing in the current. See him? He went up, the other one came around. They're just doing a round robin circle. If you look, oh, I found a whole bunch of them. There's like 20 fish right here. Look at them all. There's about 20 carp just swimming here along these rocks, right in back of it. Amazing, look at that. They're just sitting here at the top of the falls. Huge fish. I wish I had a polarizer filter. There he is there, so I could see him clear in the water. There he is, look at them all. There's tons of them. Look at that. You wouldn't even notice. Amazing amount of fish that are here. There's probably, I would say there's 40, 50 fish, all about 15 pounds and up. There's a big one right there. Wow. Look at that, the big carp. I don't want to show Jay Carl this because he'll be down here, Jason Carl will be down here with his fishing rod. Look at them all. There's so many carp here, it's insane. I've never seen that many fish all at once. Wow. They're all just congregating. It looks like they're not listening to Governor Baker. None of them are social distancing. And they're not wearing masks either. Imagine that. Wow. Look what I just found here. I looked down at the bottom of the falls and there's a little holding pool. And there's a ton of carp right there. Look at them all. Just sitting there. There's got to be 20 of them in that little small pool area. Right there, they're all just floating around. See them all? Oh, I don't want to scratch the camera. Look at those big boys right there.
But being in the month of July, the rivers are abnormally high.
Oh,
We had some rain recently, so that contributed to the waters rising. Well, YouTube, this is going to conclude my video. Where do fish go when it rains? I want to say thanks for tuning in and watching. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, click like, and if you like the channel, interested in my content, seeing more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Tight lines, everyone. Take care.